ZenCall AI just dropped, and if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, this video is going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know before you even think about using it. Stay with me, because the last point might completely change how you handle calls in your business. Before we dive in, you can try ZenCall AI completely free from the first link in the description below. No credit card required, which is rare for new software drops like this. Now let's talk about what makes this tool stand out and what you should watch out for. ZenCall AI is a next-gen AI call assistant designed to handle incoming calls, qualify leads, book appointments, and even do smart follow-ups without needing a human. For anyone in digital marketing, lead generation, or running a service business, this is like hiring a 24/7 call center for a fraction of the cost. One of the most impressive things? It sounds human. The voice models are natural, the response timing is smooth, and it understands complex queries better than most AI voice tools I've tested. And I've tested hundreds. It uses intent-based learning, meaning it's not just reading scripts, it's actually adapting to the caller's responses. Setting it up is fast. Within 10 minutes, you can have your own ZenCall AI agent live and running with custom responses. You plug in your calendar, a few business details, and it's ready to start handling calls like a pro. ZenCall AI also records every call, gives you transcripts, and even scores the quality of each conversation using built-in AI. That means you can train your agent over time or just use the insights to improve your lead flow. It's like a mini call analytics suite baked into your virtual receptionist. Now, if you're using this for inbound leads, especially from paid ads, this could be a game changer. You're not wasting any calls and you're responding instantly. No more leads going cold because someone didn't pick up. A key difference with ZenCall compared to similar tools is its integration. It works with Google Calendar, CRMs like Go High Level and HubSpot, and can send updates via SMS or email. You can also route different types of calls to different workflows, which is incredibly powerful if you're running multiple offers or departments. Now let me give you a quick warning. Don't just let it run without reviewing the transcripts. While it's smart, it's still AI. Reviewing those early calls helps you refine the agent's tone and phrasing to sound more like your brand. And here's what I found most interesting. ZenCall is already rolling out multi-language support and outbound calling. Meaning pretty soon, this won't just be answering calls, it'll be doing proactive follow-ups, cold calls, and even surveys. That's why I'm keeping a close eye on it. So, should you use it? If you're a solo founder, a coach, or run any business that lives and dies on inbound calls or lead response time, ZenCall AI is worth trying today. You can grab a free trial using the first link in the description. No risk, just test it out and see if it improves your workflow. And if you're serious about automation, check out the other AI tools I personally recommend in the description. After trying thousands of AI softwares, I only share the ones that actually deliver results. Try it out and I'll see you in the next one.